Hi, good everyone. So let's go to the drafting. So I already marked out my lines. This is my, I'm coming, please hold on. I'm not sure. So we started with our measurement, which is a -5 from the upper part, a -5 inch, and the full length is 23 inch. So this is my bust point, this is my under bust, this is my half length, and this is the full length for the dress. So for the ankle area side, I'll be using 8.5, okay? So I'll be marking 8.5 here. And I'll connect it. Okay, so now I'm going to insert my bust points. So this is our chest line, these are our bust points, these are under bust, these are half length, these are full length. Okay, so now this is my under bust. I'll be starting from my under bust. I'll be able to nipple is 3.5. I'll be using 4 inch because we are drafting directly on our fabric, so I'm adding all my seam allowance to it. So I'm using 4 inch here. 4 inch, just connect it up to the upper side. Okay, so after connecting your bust down your nipple to nipple, then I'm going to be taking out 2.5 at the under bust area, and I'll be taking ½ inch at the this other side. Okay, by this bust arm side I'll be taking 2.5, while the others I'll be taking ½ inch, so a total of 3 inch I'll take it from the under bust. Since you go down to the down side, I'll be taking it full from the up and down. Okay, I'll just be taking same. It's a free hand drafting. Okay, so now what we're going to do, connect here to this bust point. These are our bust points. You just connect it like this. Why here you give it a curve. If you have a curve ruler, you can easily use your curve ruler, but if you don't have, just use your hand to give it a curve like this. So for the upper bust, we're going to tighten it. Your upper bust tightener, tightening, we're using 1.5 inch. I'll be taking ½ inch at the upper side here, but at the side here I'll be taking 1 inch, making it 1.5 inch. Then I'll be connecting it to the bust area, also to the bust point. So that's it like this. Then I'll be marking my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 16 inch divided into 2 will be having 8 inch. So I'll be using 8.5. So now that means we are minusing 1 inch for our upper bust tightening. So 8.5, I'll mark it here. 8.5, I'll mark it here. Then I will just connect it like this. That is all. Then we start all our measurements. My bust measurement is 9.5. After dividing it, 30 is divided into 4, you're having 9.5. Then I'll be adding, minus here. That means total what we have here is 7.5 inch. We'll add it back here, 7.5. Then I'll add my sewing allowance 2 inch. That means that's the total of what we have here. My under bust area, we're having 32 inch. 32 inch divided into 4, we'll be having, I think, 8 inch. 8 plus 8 here. We'll be having 8 inch. So this is my 8 inch here. Minus 3 inch from the under bust area. I'm going to take it back. Then we had our 2 inch for our seam allowance. Then you connect it to this part. So on our waistline side, this is going to follow your waistline side, okay? So what you're going to do here is you use your hip measurement. Our hip measurement is 10.5. I'll mark it plus my 3 inch. So at this side now, I'm marking 3 inch, then I'll add extra 2.2 inch to this side. So at this point now, we don't have much. I'll be marking it here. So I'm definitely going to add to it later on. So I'll just connect it like this, okay? So connect it from here like this. Then we've achieved this part like this. So now we're just going to cut it out, and the front base is ready. Then we'll cut out our back base. So this is what we have. Then let's go to the back panel. So now we're going to cut at the back, draft out our chest line, bust point, under bust, half length and full length. Okay. Now we're going to insert same thing we did at the front to the back. We'll be inserting our shoulder measurement 8 inch. Then we'll be putting our armhole 8 inch. Then you connect your armhole to this part like this. Then you're going to insert your bust measurement. Our bust measurement is 9.5. then the 2-inch for our seam allowance, you will insert it. So at this point, we're going to snatch the back a little bit because we're putting highlights at the back side area. So it's just like you're switching a bustier as an overbust corset, but it's not a corset, okay? So we're just going to minus from the under bust area to give it more snatchy look, and for it not to bulge at the back, since it's kind of an what's it called, corset and whatever. So now we just deducted ½ inch from the under bust. So these are our under bust, these are our half length, and these are our full length. So I deducted just 1 inch from here. Then I'm going to connect it just like when you're inserting your basic dart, okay? So it's not that hard. So at this point, I'm not going to be taking in back this our 1 inch remaining. So now I'm inserting my what's it called? I'll be inserting my under bust measurements, which is 8 inch here. Then my seam allowance 2 inch. That is all. Okay. Then at the downside, I'll be marking my 10-inch, 10.5 inch of my hip measurement with my 2 inch for my seam allowance. Then I will definitely connect it. Okay. Then this is how it's going to be. You can see that the front is having more shape than the back is having more shape than the front because of the minus we did at the front side area. Okay, so now the basic is ready. Basic block for the back is ready, so we're going to cut it out. Then after cutting it out, you're going to stain it. When we are sewing it, we'll show you the next results. I'm not going to show you guys everything.